Hey friends, thank you so much for watching and welcome. I'm Stacey, and in this video I'm sharing with you a few recent finds from Walmart.com along with a couple great finds from Amazon. And make sure to stay until the very end because I just recently ordered one of the most flattering jeans I've ever ordered from Walmart.com. I cannot wait to share those with you guys, so let's get started. Everything easy for you guys, I'm going to put everything in numeric order. So the number will pop up on the bottom of the screen. Jot down the number of the item that you like. Scroll down to the description to reference that number. Click on the link and it's going to take you directly to that website where you can find that item, making it easy for you guys to shop. And without further ado, let's get started with number one, which are these cute bow sandals from Time and True. These sandals I ordered in a yellow. They are available in other colors as well, such as blue, black, white, and tan. I paid $14.98 for these sandals, but they are just so cute, guys. What I like most about these sandals is that it is a thong sandal, but it's a very soft thong. As you notice, it's nice and flexible, very soft and cushiony. For me personally, I have found a lot of times with thong sandals, they tend to be very hard and uncomfortable. I usually can't last more than 10 minutes. I was actually surprised with how soft and cushy these are. Now, this is a flat sandal. There is not much arch support, so I would not recommend, wearing these to a theme park. However, these are great for a luncheon, hanging out with the girls, shopping, things like that, because there is a nice, soft cushion footbed. I'm going to bring these in closer so you can get a better look of these. But look at that bow. Aren't they so sweet? Just the cutest. Check out that nice little cushion there. But oh my goodness, the cutest pair of sandals. Perfect for summer, perfect for spring. These are the cutest sandals. Oh, I just love the little bow, but definitely perfect for spring, perfect for summer. It adds a pop of color. Oh my goodness, I just like how these look. And I will have to say there is a good amount of cushion in the footbed. I really like how the thong part of the sandal is very comfortable too, easy to walk in. Yeah, definitely recommend these guys. Shoes are like potato chips. You can't just have one, which leads me to number two, and that's these cute pink nature sandals, again from Time and True. I paid $11.98 for these sandals. Oh my gosh, guys, these sandals are just so cute. I love the little floral print design. They have a little bow on the back. How sweet is that? Just so cute. But what's great about these sandals is that they do have a nice heel cup, which adds a little bit of heel arch support. Very comfortable. There is a little bit of a traction with these shoes as well, which I have found most sandals tend to be very smooth and your foot can move around as you're walking. With this little bit of traction, it helps keep your foot into place. Let me bring this in closer so you guys can get a better look. Look at that bow. Isn't that sweet? Oh my goodness, these are just the cutest sandal. Now it does have Velcro, so you're able to easily slip it on around the ankle. It also has a Velcro in the front too, so you're able to adjust the width as needed for your foot. But guys, these sandals are just so cute. Before I go into number three, I just want to thank all of my subscribers out there. You guys have been amazing. I really enjoy reading your comments, your compliments. Everybody has just been so wonderful, and thank you so much. I just recently started doing these Walmart hauls. Personally, I never really ordered clothes from Walmart.com or anything like that. I just started doing it recently because I have truly been impressed with not only the quality, but also all the different designs that they offer. It has been amazing. And they have a very fast turnaround time. For those of you that don't know, I'm actually a wedding photographer. I work alongside with my husband who does wedding videos. We own and operate our own wedding photography and video business. We're based out of South Florida, but we also photograph weddings in Nashville, Smoky Mountain area as well. But anyways, Last weekend we had 3 weddings alone. I didn't think I was going to get to a video. I'm recording this on Friday, April 1st. I actually just ordered these items on Tuesday. They were here yesterday and I was like, oh my goodness, thank goodness, because I was able to get a video out for you guys, share these wonderful finds with you. And like I said, make sure to stay until the end because I cannot wait to share those jeans with you. But the whole reason for these Walmart try-ons is to help save you guys time, because sometimes I order items that are great, but the sizing I found can be a little inconsistent. I noticed with a lot of the Time and True outfits, you have to size down with no boundaries. You do have to size up. Again, it's in the junior department. I just recently ordered number 3, which is this cute little cinched waist top from Free Assembly. I did order this in a medium. Again, I figured, you know, I thought, I could be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong guys, but I thought Free Assembly was also part of the juniors line, so I did size up. It's a little too big. I'm gonna try this on so you guys can see this, but I would say this is 2 sizes too big. Now I do have my height and weight down in the description below, but anyways, going back to number 3, this is a very cute top. It is a thin material. I paid $22 for this top. It is 90% cotton. It's also available in a black, a blue, a white, and a red. However, if you ordered this in a white color, I would definitely be mindful that it is see-through. So, you know, you might want to wear something underneath, or maybe wear it with a bralette or something like that. But overall, I mean, it is a very cute top. Let me bring that in closer so you guys can get a better look. But here you have the yellow. It does have a little bit of a red pinstriping in there as well. And then, of course, you have the nice cinched waist, which I'm wearing a cinched waist. This top's from Sofia Vergara. I shared this in a previous video. I'll link that below. But you'll notice it has that nice cinched peplum waist. I think it's very flattering, very cute. So, but yeah, let me try this on, let you guys see what it looks like, and let me know what you think. All right, so here's that top from Free Assembly. It is a very cute top, but as you can see, look how big this is. Now, I ordered this in a size medium. I would personally go down to a size extra small because there's just so much space in here. You can see it is see-through. So like I mentioned, if you do order a lighter color, such as the light blue or the white, maybe wear like a bralette underneath because it will be a little see-through. It is a very thin material. It's a cute top. I definitely really like this. I like the little balloon sleeves right here, but overall, just a little too big. But yeah, so this will go back. Definitely will have to downsize in this. I just paired it with an old pair of white skinny jeans I've had for years from Hollister. I'll link those below, but yeah, very cute top, guys. So now for number 4 is this cute round rattan bag that I just ordered from Amazon. I paid $32 for this bag, and oh my gosh, guys, look how cute this is. It does have a shoulder strap, which is adjustable. But what I love most too about this is just, oh my goodness, when you open it up, the cute floral print, there is a little pocket in here. I mean, it's a small tight pocket, but easy to slip in a credit card or anything like that. Let me bring that in closer so you guys can get a better view, but check out that detail and texture. Just a cute bag. It has the button closure. You open it up, it has a beautiful floral design inside. There is a little tiny pocket here. It is pretty tight pocket. I would say you could only slip in maybe a credit card, but overall, just a very cute bag. It does have an adjustable strap right over here so you're able to adjust the length. A quick and easy way to dress up an outfit. Check that out. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. I really like this bag, very cute. Now for number 5, and that is these cute little hair clips in a flower shape. Oh my gosh, guys, these clips are so cute. You may notice in pretty much all of my videos, I always have my hair up, and that's because I'm located in South Florida. We've got a lot of heat and humidity to deal with, so it just makes it easy for me to just pull up my hair and move on with my day. But I started seeing these on Pinterest, and I was like, I gotta order a pack of these. So I ordered these from Amazon. It came in a 6-pack for $16. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. They are just the cutest. Let me bring these in closer, and I have to say it's a pretty durable hair clip. Definitely very happy with the quality there. definitely holds your hair. And for the most part, when I pull my hair up, I pretty much just let my air dry for about 5 or 10 minutes. Then I just kind of pull it up and let it dry in the hair clip. But these are so cute. You cannot beat that. I did order these. I got this in the cute little yellow right over here. The pink, it has blue, brown, also a black. It also came with a sage green, which, as you guys know, my 19-year-old had taken that. But anyways, there are other colors to choose from. Definitely a cute little find. Can't beat that for less than $20. Now, finally, for number 6, I know you guys have all been patiently waiting, and that is these cute, full wide, straight leg pants from Free Assembly. They are in like a blue and white, I think it's called a railroad stripe. And oh my gosh, these are such a high quality jean. I am really impressed with how heavy weighted they are. Let me bring them in closer so you guys can get a good view of that detail. Look at that pinstriping. Isn't that so pretty? Very nice. Now it does have the nice button closure, a nice zipper in the front, 2 pockets in the back. You also have the 2 functioning pockets in the front here too. These are the cutest jeans I have ordered from Walmart to date. I really just love this blue and white stripe. I feel like it really elongates the leg, make you look nice and tall, but these jeans are so soft. They're very comfortable. For $29, you have a great pair of high quality jeans. Now, I would say stay true to size. I did order these in a size 6. They fit perfectly, guys, but check these out. I just feel so hip and so stylish. So these are the high-rise 70s jeans. I figured, well, I was born in the 70s, why not? But these jeans, I put them on with that nice wide leg and I feel like, woo, staying alive. Does anybody know that movie? So link it below if you do. Leave a comment below, but oh my gosh. These jeans are just so fun. All right, guys, so most of you know that I am a wedding photographer. Whenever we try on jeans, we do have to do the squat test because you guys know I'm moving up and down and all around. And yep, perfect. Good squat test, plenty of room. They don't cling on you at all. There's just plenty of space. Yeah, these jeans are a 10, I will say. So a 10, very happy with these overall. So, all right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to keep shining and keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye.